10 Amazing Health Benefits of Ginger to Improve Your Life. When ginger comes to mind, it's natural to associate it with holiday gingerbread houses or perhaps ginger ale, the fizzy beverage. However, ginger is not just a flavorful spice, it also possesses potent medicinal properties. With its numerous health benefits, ginger has gained widespread recognition, and people across the globe incorporate it into their diets for this very reason. Join us in this captivating video as we delve into the extraordinary health benefits that ginger offers. Prepare to be amazed by the incredible advantages this remarkable spice can bring to your well-being. 1. Helps manage blood sugar levels. According to research, ginger has been discovered to be effective in regulating blood glucose levels, which is crucial because these levels directly influence weight loss, weight gain, and overall energy levels during the day. If you experience a midday slump, chances are it is due to fluctuations in your blood sugar. Incorporating ginger into your lunch can aid in maintaining focus and productivity. Consider ginger as a natural substitute for energy-boosting products such as 5-Hour Energy. 2. Relieves gas. While a few individuals may freely release gas without concern for their surroundings, many of us find it embarrassing. Although numerous anti-gas products are available, it is advisable to explore natural remedies initially. One such remedy is ginger tea, which is both simple to prepare and has demonstrated effectiveness in relieving gas. By consuming a cup of ginger tea before bedtime, the magical effects can occur overnight while you sleep. Ginger tea aids in the purification of your digestive system and resolves the issue internally, neutralizing discomfort caused by gas. 3. Weight loss. Ensuring a healthy weight is crucial for maintaining optimal overall health. Excessive weight can give rise to various complications such as heart attack, stroke, high cholesterol, high blood pressure, diabetes, and even cancer. If you are determined to shed those extra pounds, incorporating ginger into your diet can significantly enhance your weight loss endeavors. Ginger, a natural ingredient present in numerous fat-burning supplements, has the ability to boost metabolism, resulting in increased calorie expenditure. Additionally, it aids in promoting satiety, reducing overall calorie consumption by keeping you feeling full for a longer duration. 4. Boost nutrient absorption. You might not have considered this before, but when you consume a nutritious meal, your body doesn't absorb all the valuable nutrients it contains. The absorption percentage of vitamins and minerals from your food can vary greatly, ranging from 10 to 90%. These nutrients play a crucial role in signaling your hormones to indicate fullness and maintaining the optimal functioning of your fat-burning system. If your goal is to enhance your overall health and potentially lose weight, maximizing nutrient absorption becomes essential. Interestingly, ginger has been recognized for its ability to enhance nutrient absorption, making it a valuable addition to your diet. 5. Improves circulation. Ginger possesses the ability to promote better circulation by thinning the blood, leading to improved overall blood flow. This enhanced circulation often produces a pleasant warm sensation within the body. It's no wonder that people find joy in sipping ginger tea, especially during chilly winter days, as it adds to the cozy experience and contributes to the comforting feeling of warmth. 6. Pain relief. Instead of opting for conventional pain relievers such as Advil or aspirin, consider giving ginger a try as a natural alternative. Ginger has been found to possess pain-relieving properties, regardless of the type of pain you may be experiencing. Additionally, it combats inflammation, a common cause of discomfort, and operates on a hormonal level, To test its efficacy, you might consider incorporating a cup of ginger tea into your morning routine and observe if it brings about noticeable improvements in your well-being throughout the day. 7. Improves your breath. Whether you have an important upcoming date or not, ginger can be beneficial in enhancing your breath, and maintaining fresh breath is universally desirable. To experience its breath-improving effects, it is advisable to consume ginger towards the end of your meals. By doing so, ginger can cleanse your palate, leaving your mouth feeling revitalized. Another option is to mix ginger with hot water and consume it as a drink. This practice serves as an excellent method to cleanse your mouth and neutralize any unpleasant tastes, including the notorious coffee breath caused by consuming coffee. 8. Boosts immune system. If you find yourself frequently struggling with colds, it is likely an indication of a weakened immune system. Your diet significantly influences the strength or weakness of your immune system. Incorporating ginger into your diet can contribute to bolstering your body's defense mechanisms. According to medical professionals, ginger is known to assist in cleansing the lymphatic system, eliminating toxins, and combating bacteria, thus supporting a robust immune system. 9. Clears sinuses. Given the opportunity, opting for natural alternatives is often preferable to relying on over-the-counter medications. Consider giving ginger a try as your initial approach. Ginger contains an active ingredient that has demonstrated remarkable effectiveness in addressing sinus issues. It aids in decongesting and promoting sinus drainage. By brewing a comforting cup of ginger tea, you can experience these benefits without the need for any medications and their potential side effects. 10. Fights cancer. It's highly likely that you know someone who is either battling cancer or perhaps you are facing the challenge yourself. Numerous studies have highlighted the beneficial effects of ginger in combating various types of cancers, including lung, prostate, ovarian, colon, breast, skin, and pancreatic cancers. Researchers attribute ginger's anti-cancer properties to a compound called 6-gingerol, which is abundant in raw ginger. This compound exhibits antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and anti-tumor activities. By incorporating ginger into your diet, you can potentially inhibit the formation of new cancer cells and aid in the destruction of existing ones. Moreover, ginger can be advantageous for individuals undergoing cancer treatments, as it has been shown to mitigate the toxic effects of certain cancer drugs. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.